Prime Minister Modi will fly to Xi'an, the home province of Xi Jinping, for a summit meeting with Chinese President, during which they are expected to discuss the border, among other issues, to take forward the strategic partnership. From the ancient city of Xi'an, Prime Minister travels to Beijing for extensive talks with Chinese Premier Li Keqiang. The two sides are expected to sign agreements to bolster trade, investment, infrastructure including railways, tourism and greater people-to-people contact. The major issues for India are roadmap towards solving border issues, strong economic ties, greater Chinese investment in Indian infrastructure, to work with Beijing on Make in India project, greater balance in bilateral trade. China too seeks the solution to the border issue, eased rule for Chinese investments in India, to involve India in Belt and Road Vision for the new Silk Route, to integrate India into new China-led global economic infrastructure. Commerce Minister Nirmala Sitharaman told Parliament that the trade deficit between India and China has increased about 34% to $48.43 billion in 2014-15 from $36.21 billion in the previous fiscal. India's concern on rising deficit has been discussed with China at various fora, including at the highest level. The issue and progress on all bilateral issues and challenges will be discussed during the Prime Minister's visit to China. Besides this, the Prime Minister will continue his outreach and public diplomacy efforts with the Indian diaspora. Prime Minister will give a speech in Shanghai similar to one at New York's Madison Square Gardens. From across China, there has been a terrific response for the Prime Minister's event on May 16. Prime Minister is also expected to address Chinese students at a university, besides taking part in a colorful yoga event at the famous Temple of Heaven in Beijing. Bureau Report, DD News.